In a world where taking one pill, one hit, or one puff can kill you, there is this new responsibility to know what exactly you're putting into your body because you cannot always trust your illicit drug source. When fentanyl overdose deaths on a steady rise, we find ourselves at a junction where technology and compassion meet. This coupling of ideas is necessary and has helped increase access to and production of fentanyl test kits. Remember, fentanyl is a powerful synthetic opioid that continues to present the United States with an unprecedented challenge. Its presence in other drugs has led to unanticipated tragedies, and we now have a tool that can reveal the hidden traces of fentanyl. These fentanyl test strips are small pieces of paper that can detect the presence of fentanyl in substances like cocaine, methamphetamines, and heroin. A simple color changing reaction is all it takes to detect the presence of fentanyl, which will increase one of the only measurements that matter in these scenarios: saving lives. Now, accessibility is a shared responsibility, of course. Luckily, a collection of online stores and community programs sell and give away fentanyl testing strips. So check out the links in this video or contact your local health agency to help be a part of the collective commitment to continue harm reduction. Purchasing a fentanyl test kit is more than just a purchase. It's actually a declaration. It's taking a step towards a greater understanding, compassion, and safety for those affected by drug use. It's a tool in our continued journey to protect, empower, and reveal a reflection of our better selves as a community.